we can modify our vulnerability scanner to further check for any common vulnerabilities and exposures, or CVEs associated with the services running on open ports. For the purpose of this demo, we'll use the CVE Search module to look for known vulnerabilities. This module queries the online cve-search.org database for CVEs. As always, please ensure you have the necessary permissions to conduct any scanning activity and use these tools responsibly. Today, we're going to enhance our vulnerability scanner to not only detect open ports and running services but also check for a CVE associated with these services. CVEs are a reference method for publicly known cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Our Python script now uses the nmap module to scan the target host and the CVE search module to find any known vulnerabilities related to the identified services. The vulnerability_scanner function initiates the scan on the target IP. For each open port, it identifies the protocol, the state of the port, and the running service along with its version. It then uses the search_CVE function to check for known vulnerabilities related to the running service. This function queries the online cve-search.org database to find any known CVEs. If it finds any vulnerabilities, it prints the associated CVEs and their CVSS score, which represents the severity of the vulnerabilities. Using this enhanced scanner, you can identify not only the open ports and services, but also understand the potential vulnerabilities associated with those services, a key skill for any ethical hacker. As always, use these scripts responsibly and only on networks where you have explicit permission. Unauthorized scanning and vulnerability detection can lead to legal issues and is against ethical hacking guidelines. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive even deeper into the fascinating world of cybersecurity. Until then, happy coding!